Hello viewers, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. Question is, a rod of length 100 centimeters pivoted at one end. It is laid such that it make an angle of 30 from the horizontal. Okay, it is making angle 30 as shown, and released from the rest its angular speed when it passes through the horizontal will be. So student, here center of mass of the rod is at L by 2. If this length is L, then center mass is here at a distance of L by 2. So this distance is L by 2. Now this center of mass moves from this point to this horizontal point. This is center of mass C to A, and this height H is dropped. So dropped height by center of mass, that is this over this, H over L by 2 equal to, this is perpendicular over hypotenuse, sine 30. Therefore H equal to L by 2 sine 30, or L by 2 into 1 by 2, that is L by 4. So H equal to L by 4. Now if omega is angular velocity at A, then kinetic energy of this rod half I omega square equal to the potential energy dropped mg into h. So half I moment of inertia of the rod is ml square by 3 into omega square mgh, h is L by 4. So m cancel here, 2 2 is 4, L also divided by L. So L omega square by 3 equal to G upon 2. So omega square equal to 3G over 2L, and omega equal to under root 3G over 2L. Here L is given to us 100 centimeter, which is equal to 1 meter. So we put the value 3 into G is 10. Let G is 10 meter per second square upon 2 into 1. So this is 10 3 is 30, 30 upon 2. 30 upon 2 is the correct answer. Omega is 30 upon 2, under root 30 upon 2 radian per second is the correct answer of this question, which is found in option B. So option B is correct. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.